What if I told you that reality, as you know it, might just be an illusion, that what you see, hear, and even feel could be a tiny fraction of what's actually out there? Stick around, because these facts will make you question everything you think you know about existence. Fact 1. The visible spectrum is shockingly small. Let's start with your eyes. The colors you see? They're just a sliver of what's possible. The visible spectrum is less than 1% of the electromagnetic spectrum. That means there's an entire world of light, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays completely invisible to us. You're basically navigating reality with blinders on. Fact 2. Your brain fills in gaps constantly. Ever think your memory is like a camera, recording everything accurately? Think again. Your brain isn't just remembering, it's making things up. It constantly fills in gaps in your perception based on past experiences. Reality? It's as much about what you imagine as what you actually see. Fact 3. Solid matter isn't solid. The chair you're sitting on? It feels solid, but it's 99.99999% empty space. At an atomic level, particles are so tiny and spread out that what you're feeling is actually the interaction of energy fields. In a way, you're never really touching anything, just repelling it. Fact 4. Time doesn't work the way you think. Here's a wild one. Time isn't constant. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time moves slower for objects moving at high speeds or near massive gravitational fields. This means astronauts on the International Space Station. Fact 5. You're made of stardust. Ever wonder what you're really made of? Almost every atom in your body was forged in the core of a star that exploded billions of years ago. That's right, you're literally made of stardust. Next time you're feeling small, remember, you're a walking, talking piece of the cosmos. Fact 6. Reality changes when observed. Quantum mechanics has discovered something bizarre. Particles behave differently when they're being watched. This is called the observer effect. For example, light can act as both a wave and a particle, but when you observe it, it chooses one. Does reality adapt to you? Science says, maybe. Fact 7. The universe has a soundtrack even in the silence of space. There's a kind of music. Scientists have captured the low hum of cosmic background radiation, the leftover energy from the Big Bang. It's like the universe has a whispering echo, a reminder of how it all began. And here's something to leave you with. If reality is so much more than what we can perceive, what else could be out there, just beyond the limits of our senses or understanding? Could there be dimensions, energies, or even truths that we've barely scratched the surface of? These facts don't just challenge what we know, they invite us to wonder. If you enjoyed this, don't stop here. Subscribe for more content that blends science, spirituality, and the mysteries of existence. And remember, reality is only as limited as your curiosity. Stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring the mind-blowing nature of the universe. See you in the next video.